We're here at the Mary Jackson Elementary School, and I'm here with my friend Bill, actually Dollar Bill, and we're here to teach the children about money, what they can do with money, and to save. And this is part of the National Teach Children to Save Day. And there are 100 Zions bankers throughout the area, Utah and Idaho, that are teaching over 8,000 students about money. We were here with the governor, and he helped teach the class of 5th graders about saving.
We're helping them today, learn how to spend their money correctly and to save money. That'll help our young people be really responsible adults and contribute to society.
The governor says that if we want a good job, first we need to get a good education so we can get a better job and a better opportunity.